Thomas Gray's Elegy, written in a country churchyard, is a quiet meditation on death and ordinary human lives. The speaker sits in a rural graveyard at dusk as daily work ends and silence settles in. This peaceful setting invites him to reflect, not with fear, but with calm seriousness. He looks at the simple graves of villagers who lived, worked, and died without fame or power. Though history forgot them, the poem insists their lives had dignity and meaning. Gray imagines their daily routines: early mornings, hard labor, family life, and shared community. By doing this, he reminds us that ordinary life itself is valuable. The poem then turns to social inequality and lost potential. Gray suggests that many buried here may have had great talents, but no chance to develop them. Their poverty limited opportunity, not ability. At the same time, their obscurity spared them from ambition, corruption, and violence. One of the poem's central claims is that death makes everyone equal. Wealth, titles, beauty, and power all end in the same silence of the grave. Monuments and praise cannot reach the dead, and glory cannot restore life. Near the end, the poet imagines his own death and burial among these villagers. He asks for no grand memory, only kindness and understanding. The final epitaph presents humility, compassion, and acceptance as what truly matters. The poem closes by affirming that every human life, remembered or not, deserves respect.